Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you know why we're here. Ipsy October customization is now open. Now we'll talk about it a little bit more and I'll show you more about it. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now guys, let's read the first comment on my last video, which was my BoxyCharm add-ons are live right now, y'all. Congratulations, Nicole Davis. Nicole says, thanks for the info, love. Love you and hope all is well. Well, everything's going all right, Nicole. Thanks so much for asking. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end, guys, when I read the comment that I picked. Alright, guys, so let's just go ahead and jump into this video. So again, Ipsy, for the month of October, the customization is now open. You can go on your Ipsy account. And they got these choices. Here's your choices. I should have been showing you already. I don't know why I wasn't. But these are all your choices right here. Now, as long as they're still available and some in stock, these are the choices that they're giving you to choose. So get your butt on your Ipsy account right now and go pick you one of these products so you know it's going to be in your bag for October. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to let y'all know. Get your butts over there to your Ipsy account. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. If they reveal any more spoilers or anything else or any more updates, I will be sure to tell you guys. Y'all know I keep y'all in the loop. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Andrea Joy. Andrea says, thanks for the info. Much love. Well, Andrea, thank you so much, honey. Thank you so much for all your support. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And remember, if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this video. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed. YouTube's taking my likes, my subscribers, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? Why don't you comment that? Tell me why. I mean, really, it's 100% free. And it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I need you guys to rate the video for me. But you only got one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. And YouTube refuses to fix it. Y'all don't know this, but I'm smiling about that. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And there's one more thing before you guys head out. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.